everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 9th to the 13th of January 2023 on Monday. Sibonelo make it clear that he's not a little boy. He can take care of himself. Mondli is finally coming around to accepting the baby. Mzimba is caught stealing Butters products on Tuesday. Nomaswazi is not ready to throw in the towel yet. Nkunzi becomes Kazimulo's confident. Mbata is on a hunt for the person or the culprit who's faking his product on Wednesday. The Mhlongo family members pull in different dangerous directions. Kapsile is confronted about their infidelity, and despite Mzimba's change of heart, he is forced to continue down the path of unrighteousness on Thursday. Ngoze finds a sympathetic ear from an unexpected person. With the looming lobola negotiations, Nkazimulo feels neglected. Mondli recalls the Magwazes by bringing up someone from the past on Friday. Sibonelo makes a deal with the devil. Nkazimulo gives his friends a gift they will never forget. Mzimba's side business is hanging by a thread. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.